Brika, and welcome to another episode of Let's Talk Taíno. I'm your host, Priscilla Colon, co-founder and creative here at Taíno, where our mission is to promote the Taíno language and culture. So today, I'm going to be answering a question that I got from one of our subscribers, Ines Maria. Thank you so much for your questions. Does Taíno have gendered nouns? That is, can you say that something is female or male? The answer is yes. So I'm going to be reviewing how easy it is to make gendered nouns in Taíno. So to start, all of the nouns that you've learned so far in Taíno have been gender neutral. That is to say, they could refer to a male or a female. So for example, tequina could be a male or a female teacher. Rocotara, a male or a female student. Guaitiao, a male or a female friend. In some cases, you might want to say whether someone or something is male or female. So you can do that by adding word parts in Taíno. So I'm going to show you first how to make a noun feminine. The formula for making a feminine noun is as follows. You take the noun, you add the word part che, that is xe, pronounced che, to the end, and that makes the feminine noun. So let's take a look at the first example. Tequina is teacher. Tequinache is female teacher. Rocotara, student. Rocotarache, female student. We can try the next one together. Guaitiao, friend. Guaitiauche, female friend. You see how simple that is? And as you may have guessed, making the masculine noun is just as simple. Now let's take a look at that formula. To make the masculine noun, just take the noun, add the word part kyo, K-I-O, pronounced kyo, and that makes the masculine noun. So let's take a look at those same three nouns that we just went over and just make them masculine. Tequina, teacher. Tequinakyo, male teacher. Rocotara, student. Rocotarakyo, male student. Guaitiao, friend. Guaitiaokyo, male friend. You see? I'm sure you've got it now. Now I'm going to give you a bit of a challenge. We're going to learn two new nouns, and we're going to switch them from feminine to masculine. So let's take a look at the first one. Koki. I'm sure this is very familiar to all of you Boricua out there. Kokiche is a female koki. Now let's make it male. Kokikyo, male koki. The next word is guali. That means child. But, like in Spanish, the word can mean not only boy or girl, but it could also mean son or daughter. So, let's take a look at how to switch the gender. Gualiche, girl or daughter. Gualikyo, boy or son. You see how simple that was? So you may be saying, this is great. Now I can make a noun feminine or masculine if I want to. But what if you were talking about more than one? How do you make a plural feminine noun and a plural masculine noun? Well, you're just going to work with the word parts, but you have to put them in a specific order. So I will go over the formula for that first. So to make a plural feminine noun, you take the noun, you add the che, but you'll notice that this time there's an accent on the E of the che, which means you're going to place emphasis on the che. And then you're going to add the word part nagu, which as you learned in a previous video, nagu is the word part that makes something plural. So again, the formula is noun plus che plus nagu. That makes a plural feminine noun. Let's go over some of the examples. Tequina, teacher. Tequinache nagu, female teachers. Rocotara, student. Rocotarache nagu, female students. Guaitiao, friend. Guaitiauche nagu, female friends. So to make plural masculine nouns, you take the noun, you add the masculine word part kyo. Again, notice there's an accent there, so you're going to emphasize that kyo. Then you add the word part nagu for the plural form. So let's take a look at those same nouns again, but we're just going to make them plural masculine nouns. Tekina, teacher. Tekina kyo nagu, male teachers. Rokotara, student. Rokotara kyo nagu, male students. Guaitiao, friend. Guaitiao kyo nagu, male friends. Now let's go over some sample sentences by building up on what we've already learned, from I love to the nouns to the feminine, masculine, and so on. I will read them out loud in Taíno, and you can follow along with the English if you need to. Dakro, dakat, guali, gualiche, gualiche nagu. Dakro, dakat, gualiche nagu. Bukro, bukat, guali, gualikyo, gualikyo nagu. Bukro, bukat, gualikyo nagu. So you see how simple that was? That was a short lesson, but now you know how to change a gender-neutral noun into a feminine or masculine noun, or a plural feminine or masculine noun. And you learned a couple of new words, so let's go over that now. Koki, koki frog. Kokiche, female koki frog. Kokiche nagu, female koki frogs. Kokikyo, male koki frog. Kokikyo nagu, male koki frogs. Guali, child. Gualiche, girl or daughter. Gualiche nagu, girls or daughters. Gualikyo, boy or son. Gualikyo nagu, boys or sons. Please keep your questions and comments coming. I would love to make more videos and learn along with you. So thank you again for joining us. Let your neighbors, family members, your abuelita know to subscribe and watch our Let's Talk Taíno playlist. I know that together we can bring back Taíno. Take care, everyone.